I'm Linda from the Fader team, and today I'm just going to show you a few project and account settings. And this is very important if you want to embed your Fader story somewhere on the web, for example, on your website or on social media. And if you want to make sure that people know right away who the story is from, it is important to be able to define the player and how the player looks like. And with Fader, you can do so. You can actually customize your player logo, you can customize your font, your color scheme, and even your icons within the story. And that way you can fully integrate your Fader story within your own website, making sure that it looks exactly the same as your other content. I'm going to show you how to do it.
Okay, so you log into Fader and let's go to account settings first. First of all, here you can see and change your email address. We need your email address to confirm your account. Also, you can add or change your display name. The display name will be shown underneath your Fader player, and when I change it, you'll see it right away. If your display name is an organization, for example your company or your newsroom, you can also claim your stories within the Fader editor and specify the author of a specific story. You can also add your surname and first name, but they won't be shown anywhere. When you switch to project settings, there are different options available. First of all, you can allow to add an author name to each story. This is what we just discussed. If you work for an organization with multiple potential Fader users, then you can claim specific Fader stories by adding your personal name to the respective Fader story. Also, here you can define whether you want your Fader stories to be muted or unmuted when you first play it. Do you want your viewers to actively unmute your story or not? Below, you can see different options for customizing your player. You can upload your own logo and it will be shown within the player. Also, you can customize all the icons within your stories, within the respective scenes. For example, audio icons, image icons, and video icons. And furthermore, you can upload your company's font and define the color scheme within the player.
So these are all features that have been requested by our users, and we're very happy to provide them because we want to make sure that our users are able to integrate the Fader stories within their own websites. Please let us know if you have any further questions regarding Fader or our work. I'm going to link all the necessary infos down below. If you are interested in a specific tutorial that we haven't done yet, please let us know and we're going to work on it. See you soon on Fader.